Oh, good morning, good morning. It's 2:30 in the morning and we're ready to go. Just at the petrol station getting some smoko, or breakfast I should say. 10 degrees, yeah, mine says 12. Alright, the lights are on, everyone's home. Let's do this. Alright, big haze, ready to go. Woohoo! We got these two girls, been having sex all night, these guys. Poor Shawnee. Listens to that all night. But we're all good to go. We got Lee the boxer over here. We got Lee over there, the BMX rider. And Bungie somewhere. So we're good to go, we're just waiting for concrete. Yeah. Alright, we're good to go. 1,200 squares, let's go. Alright, we got concrete rocked up. One other truck. We'll start putting it out in a minute. Alright, I'm gonna put you on time lapse. Play the music, ninja. Guys, we're away. It's all happening. But yeah, we're just waiting for concrete now. We can't be waiting for concrete for too long. Well, let's go. Alright, we've been flat out. I had you on there for a bit. We'll just put you over here now. Otherwise we'll get no finishing. Oh, we just need more concrete. Come on. Alright fellas, we're into it. We're nearly, this pass here will be halfway I reckon. Because the wine's up at the back there, so we're just going to keep feeding concrete. What time is it? It is 7:15. So yeah. Okay, we got 7 o'clock and we just keep waiting for concrete, so if we didn't wait for concrete, we would be smashing it. We started at 4. It's taken us 3 hours so far to do half. So that's pretty good. We had mud. We didn't have to wait for mud. I reckon we would have been done at least more than half already. Anyway. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Hope you're enjoying it so far. It's been pretty stressful, but not really stressful, but just a bit. We've never done it this way before, so it makes it a bit different for all of us. So, and a whole new crew. Never worked with this machine before, but our passes are getting better and faster. So, yeah. From now on, it should be good times. Hey, Al? We're getting better, right? We're getting better and better as we're going. Yeah. So imagine when we do the next one, and the next one, we'll be fucking right.
That's the goal, guys.
Hey.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, we got 18 past 7. We're just screening our last little bit off down there. We're waiting for trucks again. And I reckon we're halfway. So a bit over 2.5 hours. And we got halfway, so 1,200 squares in 5 hours. We could do this. Let's go. Alright. We'll get it done. 65 metre long path. Beautiful. Yeah, like every second time we do one, just fixed it up. Yeah. They know that straight away. Oh, that's it, Al. You got the gloves on, that's good. It's sticky, eh? The bull float, isn't it?
Oh, it's not too bad. It's just that chunk that came out of it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. But I'm saying, but it can get sticky, eh? Like it.
Yeah.
You leave it too long, you gotta do it straight away. Alright. We are waiting for concrete. Come on, Haley, what's going on? Alright, we got some action on today, guys. 1,200 squares. What? Alright, it's 8:30 and we just got like a little bit more to go, but we just got no concrete. It's just holding us back, but we're getting there. We're getting there. Let's go and check out and see. Hey!
20 litres straight in it.
Yep. Unless he's done it already just then. But he wouldn't have because he's just coming. How we going? Oh, no, there's heaps more time. Heaps more time still. Up there might be different, but I'll have to check up there. All right, we got concrete again. Let's go. All right, we have 1 o'clock, guys. And the slab is looking pretty good. Fuck it. Wasn't easy, that's for sure. A lot of hard work in that one. I might just go up here real quick. So you can really see it. Look at that. Yeah, baby. 1,500 squares, we reckon it was. Not 1,000 or 1,200. Good times. Everyone went really good. Alright, this is my job for today, TikTokers. My first 1,500 squares in one go. Can't complain. Not yet anyway. Oh my god, it's 10 to 3. And I'm still going a little bit more. Got a little bit more to go down there. Alex is just helping me do the actual the plus load. But she ended up being 1,200 squares, so we were expecting to do 1,000, but we ended up doing 1,200, so it took us a little bit longer. And we didn't have very good supply, so it really slowed us down. You see in the video we're going really good, and then all of a sudden it didn't finish pouring until 11 o'clock in the end. So you can imagine how long it took. The concrete was dry. So anyway, we'll just finish it off, and then we're going to set this bit up. Oh my god. All right, we got 3:30, and I'm off to ride on. Al's going to finish the last little bit with the little chopper, the little plus down there. Boys are stripping. Nah, I'll just leave it up here. I'll leave it where it is. I'll bring it to the edge eventually. Alright, she's nearly done. They look tiny, don't they? See how big it is. Alright. And we don't know where we're going next, so we're going home. Let's go home. Good work, guys. Good work, guys. I'd just like to thank all the boys that helped today. You're all awesome men. Put a big effort in. We had it in nearly in like 4 hours, 3.5 hours, and then the concrete trucks just slowed down and took us just as long to do 2 strips as it did the whole slab. So I'll see you all tomorrow for the next one. Have fun. All right, I'm just dropping Lee off and Mr. Bungeman. And we're just looking at the slab. Looks good. No waves. Like when you usually put light on it, you usually see waves. Like if it's fucking screed as shit, it would be waves all through it. And we haven't seen waves. We haven't seen waves on it at all yet, because of the ride on. All right, see you in the morning.